In this question, fx is given as 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Gx is 4x into 1 minus x. It asks to find f of g of x. Very straightforward question. So f of g of x is nothing but f of g of x. That is f of 4x times 1 minus x. That is, in fx, wherever you have x, just need to put 4x into 1 minus x. So let us do that. So f of 4x times 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus of 4x into 1 minus x divided by 1 plus of 4x into 1 minus x. So if you expand this, you get 1 minus 4x plus 4x square divided by 1 plus 4x minus 4x square. So this is the value of, or the function f of g of x. So this is the answer to this question.